इनको सॉल्व करने के लिए आई हैव सर्टेन गोल्स दैट आई हैव टू अचीव ऑन अ डेली बेसिस. आई एम गोना डू दिस. व्हाई यू गाइस थिंक दैट इसके लिए पढ़ना पड़ेगा, इट्स अ लैंग्वेज तब भी पढ़ना पड़ेगा? बिकॉज वी हैव अ सर्टेन बाउंड्री. यू जस्ट नीड टू स्टडी फॉर 2 to 3 hours per day. But yes, quality with consistency. Stick to the plan and score high. So yes, this is how I hope this is going to be bring a lot of motivation to you. So you want to shift abroad and you guys are working, you don't have time to study. बिल्कुल भी पढ़ने की जो आदत थी वो ऑलरेडी छूट चुकी है. And now you have to, have that kind of a loop and you have to get back to study again, which is something I know which is very difficult for you guys to do it. This is the reason I'm here with another set of really good video for you guys, where I will be telling you how to have a perfect study plan or how to make a perfect study plan for you. So if you ever felt that there is not enough time, or it's like 24 hours is going to be, very less, or 24 hours seems less to you when it comes to your IELTS preparation, I've got you covered. So don't worry. Let me just help you out on how you can have a perfect schedule for your IELTS preparation. Now let me first give you a reality check. होता क्या है? What exactly you guys are after? ठीक है? Long working hours, 9 hours, 10 hours, 12 hours. There are a lot of people who are working way hard and they are also serving like 13 hours of working hours, right? Mental fatigue after work आप prime नहीं दे पा रहे हो, work के पहले नहीं दे पा रहे हो because you have to do a lot of prep up for your work. There are a lot of people who have got work from home schedule. There are a lot of people who have work from office schedule. Also, you have limited weekend energy. You get only one weekend or you get only 2 weekends off, so that अब उसमें पढ़ाई करें कि enjoy करें. You have to just release your stress and you have to rejuvenate. You have to get ready for the next week. So a lot of things, a lot of things that are there that you guys are having. Yeah, of course it is genuine as well. I'm not I'm not accusing you of anything कि नहीं आलसी हो तुम लोग, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. You guys are way too hardworking. But the fact over here, what I'm going to try to talk to you is, this examination is also very essential when it comes to you having a dream of settling abroad. So basically, if I can tell you that this examination is just a language. I know why you guys think that इसके लिए पढ़ना पड़ेगा, it's a language तब भी पढ़ना पड़ेगा, because we have a certain boundary. We need to work accordingly. Because हमें जब बाउंड्री में काम करना होता है ना, तो हम थोड़ा like we get a bit nervous, or we have that anxiety that now we have to work according to the boundary, and इसी बाउंड्री में काम करना है. We cannot break the boundaries and work accordingly. That's the reason you feel like कि आप नहीं कर पाओगे, या it's way too difficult to deal with. It's not like that. So I know there are a lot of people who might work very hard. Who are working very hard. I'm so sorry, and who are like just striving really hard in order to find time so that they can prepare, right? So now what's the exact solution for it? क्या कर सकते हैं हम उसके लिए? So basically आपको इस एग्जाम के लिए 10 घंटे बैठ के बोर्ड के एग्जाम की तैयारी नहीं करनी है. You are not going to have you should not dedicate your entire self. You don't have to just leave everything and prepare for this examination. No. Again, I'm talking from the perspective of all of you. Whether you know about this language or whether you don't know about this language, there can be multiple things that you need to make sure. If you are a beginner or you are an advanced person, advanced in terms of language proficiency, अगर आप advanced भी हो या beginner भी हो, again, it's not important for you कि आप 5 से 10 घंटे दो इस पे. नहीं चाहिए. A constructive, a fruitful result तभी मिलेगा आपको whenever you focus more on the quality as compared to the quantity. Now, what's the difference between what I'm trying to talk to you? When I say quantity, मैम हमने तो 12 घंटे पढ़ा था, तब भी मेरे 5 बैंड्स आए. बट मैम हमने तो सिर्फ 2 घंटे पढ़ा था and I've got 8.5. There's a difference. Again, offend मत होना. Why am I telling you this? Is because कि everyone possess different quality, right? In that case, I'm just telling you, अगर मैं एक average लेके चलूं, तो दे कैन बी मल्टीपल पॉसिबिलिटीज फॉर यू गाइस। तो उसमें अगर हम बात करें तो यू जस्ट नीड टू स्टडी फॉर 2 to 3 hours पर डे, बट येस क्वालिटी विथ consistency. So this is what I will be recommending you guys to work on. So what I'm talking about, so you need to possess quality with consistency. ठीक है, this is what we would be wanting. सबसे पहली चीज तो, and how we are going to provide that, study in just 2 to 3 hours per day. मॉर्निंग 30 to 45 minutes vocabulary and एक listening और एक speaking task कर लिया before going from work. थोड़ा I know you guys need to be a bit compromising. थोड़ा जल्दी उठ जाओ, बस यही कहूंगी मैं. तो थोड़ी जल्दी उठ के you can just have a quick practice so that इससे ना you gonna have, trust me, अगर आप ऐसा करोगे ना, you are going to have that kind of self confidence the entire day कि अगर मैं रात में नहीं पढ़ा या अगर मैंने रात में कुछ नहीं भी करा तो at least I'm not going to sleep with a regret कि मैंने आज कुछ नहीं पढ़ा. Of course you did this, so of course that's gonna make up the thing or make up for the entire day. So this is something that's really good. Lunch break, okay, 20 minutes flash card कर लिया, reading practice कर ली. Lunch break मिली, आप बोलोगे मैम lunch break में खाना भी मत खाने दो, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. Again, if you feel like you are able to take out time from your lunch break, fair enough, you can go for that. But अगर नहीं भी निकाल पा रहे हो तो you can adjust this accordingly, ठीक है, with respect to your time frame. इवनिंग में क्या करा, 1 to 1.5 hours alternate between writing and mock test and keep one notebook to track errors. Of course, I mean, if you guys, now we have a lot of technologies out here, so if you guys have pen tab or something, if you want to keep records in that, fair enough, that makes sense. You want to keep your records on your phone, laptop, whatever works for you. But make sure, I would rather recommend you to go for a pen and paper, which is a diary or a pen. That's it. That is something the traditional way to keep a records on. That is something that's going to be that is quite helpful to you. So this is what I would recommend, and this is how you can make it up for your entire day. And this you are going to practice for your like the entire week I'm talking about, ठीक है. So this is what you can do. Now talking about further weekend study की बात करें तो this is for the weekdays वाला part. Weekdays में आप ऐसे करके study कर सकते हो. Now talking about the weekend वाली study, then यहाँ पे आप 5 to 6 hours each day दे सकते हो if you want to, ठीक है. Again, ये 5 to 6 hours जरूरी नहीं है, ये मैंने I just taken a good stretch of time for you. If you want, you can allocate like 2 to 3 hours maybe, or at max if you want, if you are way too ambitious for that, so you can go for 3 to 4 hours. I mean, even if you have time, ठीक है. फुल लेंथ मॉक कर लिया सैटरडे को, ठीक है. barely it's gonna take 3 hours of your, like 3 hours barely, to be honest, अगर आप undisturbed तरीके से मॉक टेस्ट लेते हो तो. Review mistakes, practice writing task 1 and 2. Again, writing and speaking is really very important, so you have to work accordingly. Watch IELTS based video with subtitles on Sunday. So if you want some kind of sample answers, or you can say you want to go for something like you want to have an idea on कि आप कहाँ गलती कर रहे हो, कहाँ पे improve कर सकते हो, of course you can go for it. Join an online speaking group or record yourself. I mean, recording yourself is going to be way better. Okay, of course you have so if I talk about our PW IELTS and TOEFL prep, we provide you unlimited evaluation. So over there you can send your videos or audios, whichever way you're comfortable, and then we analyze it and we provide you the band score with respect to your answers provided. So yeah, this is also something we do just to help you out guys in order to prepare. Okay, so tip, break series into 2 hours blocks with short breaks. So if you want to have break sort of a thing, you can have short breaks in the middle. That is not what's gonna hamper your mental fitness, or you can say that your energizing mode or something, because I know it's quite draining for like 3 hours or 2.5 hours to sit without a gap. So yeah, you can definitely take it. Now talking about further, now the very important thing that comes into action is कि time management नहीं हो रहा है. This is something that you guys are facing on problem, ठीक है. तो balance work कर लेते हैं. IELTS like a pro कैसे practice करें, how we are going to do, set a mini goals weekly. अब आपको पता है कि आपको इतने questions deal करने हैं, पहले तो structure से familiarize हो जाओ, ठीक है. कैसे deal करें, अच्छा मुझे इतनी चीजें deal करनी है, मेरे यहाँ पे loop holes हैं, these are the drawbacks that I am facing in my preparation. अब इनको solve करने के लिए I have certain goals that I have to achieve on a daily basis I'm gonna do this. हमने राइटिंग पार्ट शुरू करा है, आज हम बार चार्ट का क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे. कल हमने लाइन कर लिया, परसों हमने साइक्लिक कर लिया, नरसों हमने नॉन साइक्लिक कर लिया. सो दिस इज समथिंग दैट यू कैन डू व्हेनेवर यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग. ठीक है, यूज Google Calendar or Notion for tracking. So if you want, you can have a Google Calendar reminder sort of a thing. You can block your Google Calendar and then you can work accordingly. Again, if it is related to your professional thing sort of a thing, then definitely you can put an alarm if you forget, because you guys have to you guys have to work accordingly, and you have to manage your professional task with this exam of yours, right? So it's really very important. Now, avoid multitasking, quality over quantity. So yes, of course, this is what I said. I mean, अब एक दिन में आप चारों मॉड्यूल लेके बैठ जाओगे, and at the end of the day you've allocated 6 to 7 hours, and at the end of the day when you're contemplating on it, you figure it out that कि आपने कुछ भी नहीं करा. I mean, it accounted for zero. So this is not something that I want you guys to feel. तो इसके लिए क्या कर सकते हैं हमने एक मॉड्यूल उठाया, एक मॉड्यूल में एक सेक्शन उठाया, उस एक सेक्शन में एक क्वेश्चन उठाया, एंड we need to work accordingly. So this is what you can do. And don't forget to rest. Productivity is very important. So productivity comes when you have that energy to deal with a question. And English requires a lot of creativity. I mean, जब भी आप किसी question के बारे में सोचो, of course you don't have to come up with that cliche words, cliche vocabulary or something. You need to be a bit, creative on your ideas, on your content, on your intended content, whatever you want to deliver. So yeah, that works accordingly. And then visual time blocked weekly schedule. So again, I have told you that if you want, you can block your calendar. Again, if that doesn't work, then I don't have any problem. अगर आपकी मेमोरी बहुत ज्यादा अच्छी है, so you have that kind of a track in your mind कि कल मैंने ये करा था, आज मैं ये करेंगे. Of course, have a written record for that. ठीक है, चलो फाइनल प्रेप टॉक कर लेते हैं. You've got this. Consistency beats intensity. Many working pros have cracked 7+ band score. Exactly, and I'm not lying on it. There are a lot of my students who have cracked, who have been working, because I know you guys are that kind of a stage where you cannot allocate the entire time for this. If you're working, then you have to accordingly, manage your professional life, personal life, and your this student kind of a life over here as well. So it's really very important to have a balance between all three of them, and scoring 7+ band, it's not that difficult, trust me. ठीक है, चलो, just 2 focused hours a day can change your future, and work smarter, not harder. CTA, start today, stick to the plan, and score high. So yes, this is how I hope this is going to bring a lot of motivation to you, and trust me guys, you can do it. You can do it. There is no anything in the world. I mean, if you're talking about the content that you require, if you're talking about the study material, n number of study material. I mean, there is that whole pile, or you can say like a good piled amount of content that's available in the internet. So it's just that you need to find the right one and start preparing with that. ठीक है, चलो. And yeah, that's all. Thank you so much everyone. Thank you so much for being here. It has been a wonderful session. It's just that I want to say that irrespective of the time, again, एक बहुत अच्छा quote याद आ रहा है मुझे, if there is a will, there is a way. You just need to have that will in order to prepare for this examination. अगर आपके अंदर will है तो definitely you're gonna crack this, and you got this. Don't worry, or else I'm here for your help. And thank you so much everyone. See you in the next session. Bye bye.